We take care of the children the whole day so that the mothers are free to go to work. We provide them with food, we try and inculcate good healthy habits in them. We provide them with free regular medical checkups. Basically, we provide them with a better quality of life.
நான் இவங்க வந்து குழந்தையை பராமரிக்கிறதுனால நான் போய் சம்பாதிச்சாக்கா எங்கள் வீட்டில் எங்கள் வீட்டு பொழப்பு பராமரிப்பு எங்களுக்கு உபயோகம் ஆகுது.
Many of the patients come from low-income backgrounds. We provide them supplementary meals which are nutritious and healthy. The main dish is a mixture of rice and pulses which is tasty as well as easy to digest.
என்ன மாதிரி ஏழையா இருக்கிறவங்க இந்த மாதிரி உணவு சாப்பிட முடியாதுமா. நாங்க கிராமத்துக்கு போனா ஆனா இங்க ரொம்ப நல்லா கிடைக்கும்.
We also give advice about nutrition and personal hygiene and provide counseling for both the patients as well as their families. The feedback which we have got is we have considerably improved the lives of people living with HIV. We have managed to avert a lot of suicide cases. We have made a difference to their lives.
है कतिसम्म छ म्याद भन्ने कुरा हेर्न पर्छ. यदि हामीले अब अंग्रेजीमा लेखेको हुन्छ यहाँ है अंग्रेजी हेर्न जानेनौं भने पनि अब नेपालीमा पनि यहाँ अब अंग्रेजी नेपाली दुवैमा लेखा हुन्छ है यसमा. तर पनि हामीले यसरी छाम्यौं र यसरी छामेर पनि पत्ता लगाउन सक्छौं. यसरी यहाँ भित्र हावा छ भनेपछि सही रहेछ यसको म्याद रहेछ भन्ने कुरा.
In these couple of years we've seen quite a number of significant positive changes in the community. Stigma has gone down quite significantly. They would have never been able to talk about HIV or about condoms, especially women using condoms, demonstrating condoms. That was a social taboo in these communities. But now, because of community mobilization and awareness that Red Cross is giving to people, women are coming out of their houses and talking about condoms and helping their husbands also to know about HIV.
त्यसपछि अब यो पाटेघरको समस्या अलि भने डाक्टरले भन्दाखेरि अनि फेरि पछाइ गए त्यही छेर्ते अस्पतालमा जाँदाखेरि अनि पाटेघर समस्या भन्यो.
There's a huge flow at the voluntary counseling and testing center which indicates that people are coming out and people want to be tested, which of course tells us that stigma is going down in these communities. She was married to a migrant. He died of HIV and then he infected her. Her present husband, he was working in an HIV program. He's also an HIV positive person, so they got together and they decided to get married. Through the Red Cross volunteers and through the peer educators in their community, they came to know about the prevention of mother-to-child transmission of HIV. And they were referred for counseling and then they decided to have a baby. The Red Cross has also supported them for some kind of income generation. The Red Cross provided them with 2 goats and now it has multiplied into 4.
अब यो भन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ एउटा बाख्रा आयोजनको लागि त्यसरी पनि दिनुभएको थियो. यो भन्दा सबभन्दा अगाडि अनि त्यसपछि गएर चाहिँ अहिले पनि अब त्यसपछि 1000 रुपैयाँ चाहिँ सहयोग गर्नुभयो. त्यसपछि गएर अहिले बाख्रा बीचमा चाहिँ उ गरेर बाख्राको लागि पनि दिनुभयो 10,000 सम्म. अनि त्यसले गर्दा अहिले फेरि बाउको लागि पनि.
At this point of time, we cannot really predict what the HIV situation would be of the baby. But everything is being done to ensure that the baby turns out to be negative even after 18 months.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة.
شفان ميان وليس تكمل باز إدرار من أميرا ودازم نزو أمو مني لحم انتقالي يا نلاقي يوترا كنا أمو مواد يوريا يا إدرارا به قسمت میارن از بدن باز خارج میکنن و این قسمت دارن قسمت‌های موقت هست که به نام خاصیه یاد میشه.
In the previous, when we started the program, on that time we faced more constant and more barrier, and now the situation is changed. Now we talk about sexuality, about the anatomy, about the body, and also we clearly mention to them one of the route of transmission is having unsafe sex. So I feel in the very near future we talk more clear and we talk more open with them.
And first, when we said about HIV/AIDS, they just hate us. They hate us until this that they don't want to have any closer behavior with us because they think badly about us. But when we say to them about of information, about of details, they were very good friends to us. Now they are really interested and they really want to cope with these problems.
ஹெச்ஐவின்னு சொல்கிறது ஒரு வைரஸ், அந்த வைரஸ் மூலமாக தான் எய்ட்ஸ் உருவாகுது.
Before Red Cross started this project in these 3 states, there were very limited awareness on HIV among these communities. But the risk factors among these communities are very high.
உடலுறவு கொள்வதனாலும் எங்களோட அம்மா அப்பா இந்த எஸ்டேட்டில் வேலை செய்கிறதுனால இந்த சமுதாயத்துக்கு வந்து ஹெச்ஐவி சம்மந்தமான விழிப்புணர்வு ஊட்டணும் நோக்கத்துக்காக வேண்டி நான் இந்த இதில் வேலை செய்கிறேன்.
அதுகளை பற்றி சொல்லி நோய் செஞ்சாங்க. எய்ட்ஸ் பற்றியா வேறு எதுவும் நோய்களை பற்றி கொடுத்துருக்காரா? எய்ட்ஸ் பற்றியா வேறு எதுவும் நோய்
அவங்களுக்குள்ள ஒரு மாற்றம்னா அதை பற்றி கதைக்கிறாங்க. இப்போ இது இப்படி இருக்கக்கூடாது, சமுதாயம் நல்லா இருக்கிறதுக்கு இப்படி இருக்கக்கூடாது, நம்ம அதை அவங்க சொல்கிறத கேட்கணும், அது மூலமாக நம்ம அதை தவிர்த்துக்கலாம். அந்த நோய் வந்தால் சரியில்லை, நமக்கு அதை பாதுகாத்து கொள்ளணும், அதுலேருந்து நம்ம தப்பிக்கிற வழியை தானே சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னு சொல்லி அதை பற்றி கதைக்கிறாங்க.
මට හිතුණා පඬුපුල රත් වෙලා තිබෙන විදියට තාම දන්නවා.
රතු කුරුසේ මේ දවස්වල HIV AIDS කියලා භයානක ලෙඩක් බෝ වෙනවානේ.
Ya. Oke, tadi desi atri ya ini, oke desi atri ya. Tadi.
අපිට මුදල් වලින් ජීවත් වෙන ආර්ථිකය ශක්තිමත් කරගන්න උදව් වෙලා තියෙනවා. ඒ වගේම ගොඩක් අපි අතුපුරු සංවිධානයේ දැක දෙයක් තමයි මේගොල්ලන්ගේ රහසිගතාවය ආරක්ෂා කරන්න බැඳිලා ඉන්න එක.
Voluntary non-remunerated blood donation is an important element stopping or minimizing the spread of HIV, because the blood is collected from a healthy donor, and before donation there are some checks, and after donation there are some screening methods. So voluntary and non-remunerated blood can check the spread of HIV.
Initially, we are mostly dependent on the professional blood donors. Since the Red Crescent Society and other voluntary donor organizations and the government's program, the things have reversed. Now we are mostly dependent on the voluntary donors, and if we get voluntary donors, the chances of infecting others is very, very minimal.
এসো আমরা এইডস সম্পর্কে সচেতন হই ও অন্যদের সচেতন করি এবং এইচআইভি এইডস আক্রান্ত ব্যক্তিদের সহযোগিতার হাত বাড়িয়ে দেই।
The factory workers are vulnerable because they are out of their homes, they are earning, so they can be indulged in unsafe practices because there is nobody to look after them, to have some check on them, and they have money. They must have some life skills so that they can bear the peer pressure, not to indulge in risky behaviors.
After the sessions, usually workers come to me and they tell me that, sir, we have never really heard of this thing, we have never known that this is such a serious disease, and we have never known what are the preventive measures. So after this session, we really know what we will do, what we have to do, and how we are going to prevent ourselves, not only ourselves but the community from this disease.
पता है कि पहले भी हमने ये सेशन शुरू करवाया था कि एड्स किन तरीकों से फैलते हैं और इसे कैसे बचा जा सकता है, ठीक है। एड्स 4
They are the member of the community. People feel that they are one of them, their friends, their peers, their family members, and they don't feel shy.
सेफ सेक्स करें। दूसरे नंबर पे
कौन सी बीमारी की बात हम करें? HIV एड्स। अच्छा, इसका मर्ज जो है, इस मर्ज के वारिस को क्या कहा जाता है? हेपेटाइटिस B, C और HIV एड्स। यू कैन नॉट गेट HIV एड्स बाय किससे? हाँ बेटे आप बताओ। यूजिंग पब्लिक टेलीफोन, ये सब एक ही जगह खेलने से ये शेकिंग हैंड एंड एम्ब्रेसिंग, ठीक है।
Much have been achieved over these 5 years across South Asia.
HIV, from human.
Still we have a long way to go. The only way to stop this epidemic is to change mindset of people, change the behavior, and empower the people to take care of themselves and the communities around them. As Red Cross, Red Crescent, our strength lies with the extensive networks of volunteers. To achieve our goals, we have to further strengthen these networks.